Did I build a real estate CRM in one weekend? Part 3. If you're just joining us, I decided to challenge myself to build a real estate CRM by using Claude's AI, specifically the Fable 5 model that's been out recently for testing. It's a highly complex model that can handle long and complex tasks. And so I decided, let me try and build a real estate CRM. So I started on Friday night, built these massive prompts, 80 lines, 100 lines, and fed it to Fable 5. Now, did I succeed? You know what? I did. I built a real estate CRM in a single weekend. Is it quite ready for production to put out? No, I'm going to say it's not. But let me show you what I've got so far. And you know what? I'm actually pretty excited about it. Welcome to the protocol. So what does this do? It does a lot more than traditional CRMs do. What I mean by that is that it's able to spin off a bunch of things off of it. First of all, the basics. Yes, clients, you put them in there, you put their contact info, email drip campaigns, you can tag them in different categories, obviously, the basic stuff. Newsletters, that's able to do that. But the really good part about it is this stuff here on the left-hand side. These are commands that I can issue to the CRM that uses AI for some of the other stuff we've been building in agent protocol. So let me just give you a scenario. You've got a lead that comes in. Someone wants to sell their home. So the lead comes in. Either it's reading it from your email, or you're entering it into the system, or you're importing a CSV file with your past contacts on it. But a lead comes into the CRM. And then you have a chat with them and they tell you they're thinking of selling their home. After they tell you that, you can simply issue a command of listing protocol. So what does it do? It launches off a set of workflows that are necessary for us that we've built in our agent protocol program that start this chain. For example, a listing presentation that is custom to that property, to that seller, then does a CMA for the property. Now you as the realtor still have to pick the properties, the right properties for that CMA, but it compiles it all in a beautiful graphic that is easy to understand. And then finally a pricing dashboard that really shows why you are wanting to list the home at a certain price, just basically to help you persuade, convince the seller of why your pricing methodology is the way it is. And the cool part about this is that this is all done through communication, either with a microphone with your eye that you can just talk into it, or you can type it in. This is Claude powered, but what's really good is that you just talk to it. Unlike other CRMs where we as agents tend to use them for 10% of the capability because we don't know how to do the rest. In this case, you are telling it what you want and it does it for you because it's using AI, unlike all the other ones. So this is the sneak peek at it. This was all built in Fable 5 and I wanted to get it all done over a weekend. I think I'm going to add some stuff to it. And then once I've got it all designed the right way, then I will teach it in the agent protocol. You know what? I'm super excited about this. This looks really good. It's the power behind it that I think is really useful, and it just remembers everything. I love it.